Implementation of singly linked list. Implementation of singly linked list is our aim. Then class and the file name will be node definition initiate self data. Self.data is equal to data. Self.next is equal to none. Class linked list definition initiate self.head equal to none. Then definition insert begin self data. New node equal to node of data. New node dot next equal to self.head. Self.head equal to new node. Then the definition insert end. Then insert begin self.data and same insert end self.data. If self.head is null, self.insert begin data return. New node equal to known data and p equal to self.head while not p not next is null. P equal to p dot next. P dot next equal to new node. Then the definition insert after will derive self key data. If self.head is null, print list is empty as an output. Then returns new node is equal to node of data. Temp equal to self.head while temp.data is not equal to key. Temp equal to temp.next. If temp is none, print key not found. Then return new node dot next equal to temp dot next. Temp not next equal to new node. Definition display of self. If self.head is none, then the output will be printed as list is empty. Else, otherwise, it will be printed the element in the list or. Then p equal to self.head while p is not none. Print p.data end equal to empty, p equal to p.next. Then definition delete self key. If self.head is none, then the output will be printed list is empty and then returns temp equal to self.head. If temp not equal to none, if temp.data is equal to key, self.head equal to temp.next, temp equal to none and then return while temp is not equal to none. If temp.data is equal to key, then the line gets break equal to temp equal to temp.next. If temp is equal to none and then it's return and previous dot next equal to temp.next, temp equal to none. Then definition fun of self p. If p is not equal to none, then it will be printed as p.data. Self.fun p.next. Else it will be written 1 equal to linked list. Print 1 insert begin and then 2 insert end and 3 insert after and 4 delete, 5 display and 6 exit. While 1 ch equal to int of input, choose the function to perform. If ch is equal to, if the user gives 1 as an input, then the insert begin. Int of input, enter the data to be insert. Otherwise, the user is using 2 as an input. Then insert end. Int of input of enter the data to be insert. If 3 means insert input, enter the key. If 4 means it comes delete and enter the data to be deleted. If 5 it will display, and 6 fun off one dot head, and else it gets break. Output will be insert begin 1, insert end, insert after, delete, display exit. Choose the function to perform. Whether the user gives 1 as an input, enter the data to insert, giving 45. Choose the function to perform 2, enter the data to insert 65. Then 3, 45. Enter the data function to perform 3, enter the key and enter the data to insert 22. Choose the function to perform 5. Elements in the list are 45 to 65. Choose the function to perform 4. Enter the data to be deleted 22, and the 22 will be deleted. Choose the function to perform. If you give 5, then the element in the list are 45, 65, because the 25 gets deleted, and then 6 is keep on going. The program to implement the singly linked list has been implemented successfully.